Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Molecule Hybrid Mattress. Now this mattress is the newest in the lineup of the Molecule brand. They originally came on the scene about 5 years ago with their all foam version. And what set them apart is they actually made a foam that was much more breathable than your traditional memory foam. And I know we've all heard that before, but this one does sleep a little bit more noticeably cool than even some of the other popular online brands with foam. And then added to that, when you add the springs, you get even more breathability. So I'm just going to call out a few features of this because hybrid mattresses are everywhere nowadays, and I really want you to know what sets this apart so you can make a better decision. So first thing I noticed with this mattress is that it is on the softer side. So I think it's better for side sleepers. Back or stomach sleepers may want to go a little firmer, but if you are a side sleeper, I think this is a great choice. Great contouring because of the coils, great support because of the coils, and then better pressure relief with that foam up top. Added to that, they have this cooling cover, so it's a phase change cover that's cool to the touch. And it also has antimicrobial properties, so it's designed to stay fresh and clean. That said, I would still use a mattress protector. No matter what they say, you still want to have a good mattress protector because those can be washed, unlike this cover, which can't. Now underneath that, you do have that ultra breathable foam, and it recovers faster too because it's not as dense as, say, some of the other traditional legacy foams out there. So it's faster to sink in, faster to recover. Not quite as bouncy as latex, but better pressure relief than latex as well. Underneath that, you have another layer of foam for more pressure relief, more contouring, and then underneath that, you do have your coil system. One thing about the coil system is that it does have perimeter edge support. So the coils around the perimeter are a little bit firmer, allowing you to sleep closer to the edge without feeling like you're going to roll off or the mattress is slanting. This one does come in a box, just like all the others. And it does have a 100-night trial, which is standard. So you can try it for 100 nights, up to 100 nights. And if you don't like it, it's a free return. So you just contact Molecule and they'll explain how to return it. And like just about all of these, they do ask you to try it for at least 30 nights so that your body has time to adjust, so you make the right decision and really give it a chance. As far as price goes, this is a little bit on the higher end. This one retails for about $1,900 in a queen, but there are currently sales going on now that bring that down significantly. So even though that is their advertised price, you can usually always find some sort of sale through their website. We've had this mattress in the store for about 3 weeks now. We've been gathering customer feedback, and customers do like the softness of it. So like I said, if you are in the market for something a little softer, this may be a good choice for you. I kind of rank it along the lines of like a puffy, probably like a puffy luxe hybrid, that type of softness. But it does have some extra features, of course, that cooling technology and that different type of foam that's a little bit more breathable too. This mattress obviously too is endorsed by a lot of athletes. They've got a lot of athletes on board for this. So if you're interested in this mattress and you want to see how it compares to the others, spec for spec, head over to sleepsherpa.com and we're going to have a more in-depth review.